Collective security for surety, yeah. Don't forget your history. Know your destiny. In the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. Rat race, rat race, rat race, rat race. Oh, it's a disgrace to see the human race in rat race, rat race.
I just like this one. I just like this one. This is in Beqa, yeah. You can hear it. Eh? You can hear it.
The mystic from tomorrow, right again. Have no pain, have no sorrow. Yeah. All in all, you see, I've won. It's the fight against the Rasta man. So they build the world in great confusion.
Yay!
The poison that's the devil's illusion. But the stone that the builder refused shall be the head cornerstone. And no matter what game they play, and when you get something they can never take away. Someone live up.
Alright.
Shoes are untainted. Is it how you walk? Is it how you talk? Or is it how you smile that make me come alive? I wanna know what it is about you. Cause every little thing that I've been searching for, girl, I see it in you. You're my dream come true. Every single day, in every little way, every single night I pray that you'll be there for me, cause I'll be there for you. Yeah. Is it how you walk? Is it how you talk? Or is it how you smile that make me come alive? I wanna know what it is about you. Can we go for a walk and have a little talk so I can get to know you? Got a lot of things to show you. Please understand that I'm only a man and my urge getting stronger. Don't keep me waiting much longer. Ah, yeah. Wanna get to know you better.
This sweet little girl from Kentucky, she's got a property that I truly admire. She smiles when I call her Miss Scotty. She hears it everywhere that she goes. Where in the world?